Oh, were you good?
Oh my goodness. Oh, look at all your presents. Good morning, Aunt Jen. Good morning, Uncle Tim.
Hey, William.
Look at all, oh my goodness, look at all the presents. Look at all the presents. What is that, all the presents? William, come here. Look at all your presents. Oh, that's for Kara. Yeah, look. Kara will make you a brace. Kara will make you a necklace.
Merry Christmas.
Oh. Hon, will you grab his stocking, please? No. The top one there.
Where's William's tea present? Huh?
You can leave that light on. Look, William. Look, Kara, why don't you turn around so Daddy can see you?
Sit over here with your stuff by the tray.
Presents for William?
Come over here, Kara.
I'm going to.
Oh, what's he hat?
Oh, has he got a present? Kara, come on over here next to William.
Another one?
More beads?
So many beads. What did William get, Thomas?
You wanted that, William. You wrote that down.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe he got Thomas. Ben, watch yourself. Come here.
Mommy.
Hand sanitizer, yay. Come here, Ben. Over here, Ben. Come here.
Hand stuff for the
Ben.
killing germs. Hannah Montana?
Hi, Montana.
What?
Another present?
She's like, were you good? She's like, I guess.
What else do you have, William or Thomas?
William, Kara. William!
What you got?
Thomas the train.
What is it?
It's a train as a
Let me see. William, what is it?
Cheese.
Say cheese.
Ben,
Say
come here.
cheese.
Come here. Ben, come here. Come on. Come over here.
What's this?
Ben, come here.
Lip
here.
gloss? No way.
More lip gloss? Oh my god. Ben, come here.
That's just in your stocking, all that cool stuff?
Can't imagine what's in all them presents. Jeez. Oh, man.
One of mine.
Amelia must not have been so good.
There's Kara right here.
From Santa?
What?
Oh my goodness.